Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So now take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back like this. Now tie it with the rubber band as shown in the video on the back like this. Now after that, rotate it. Now after rotating it, tie the hairs all together again by taking a small sections on the back. So repeat the process for a few more times and tie the hairs like this and then again rotate it. So now after rotating it, we'll be taking the hairs like this and put the hair clips on it. And your hairstyle is almost ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be taking the hairs like this on the sides by keeping few sections on the sides. We'll be tying the ponytail on the back. Now after tying the hairs, we'll be rotating it. So now rotate it and take the hairs from the sides like this. So now roll them like this. So after rolling the hairs like this, we'll be fixing it by tying it the rubber band like this at the end and follow the same step for the other sides. And then fix the hairs on the back like this as we are fixing. So roll it and then fix it on the back like this. Tie the hairs carefully as shown in the video and then fix it. So after that, it will give a look like this on the back and then fix it with the hair clips, or you can just put the rubber band and tie it like this and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. You can get these hair clips easily in the market. Next, we'll be taking the hairs like this on the sides and tie it as shown in the video. Tie the hairs with the rubber band as shown here. Now after that, rotate the hairs like this. Now after rotating it, we'll be tying the hairs again by taking small section of the hairs like this on the back. Tie it like this and then fix it with the rubber band like this as shown here. Now after fixing it, we'll be tying the hairs and again rotate it. Now after that, we'll be taking the hairs like this all together and we tie it like this. So divide the hairs into 3 parts and make the plates on the hairs like this till the end. Now after making the plates, fix it with the rubber band like this at the end and fix it. Now tie the hairs and fold it like this to make a bun. Fix the hairs shown in the video and tie the hairs like this. Fix it properly. Tie it with the rubber band to make a bun like this. And your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. To the more beautiful hairstyles, for that you have to watch the video till the end and follow along. So next you have to take the hairs like this and make a ponytail on the back. So tie the hairs like this and make a ponytail tightly. Now after tying the hairs, we'll be taking the hairs into 2 sections and roll them like this. So now after rolling it, fold the hairs and make a bun. Fix the hairs properly like this and put a hair clutch over it and your hairstyle will be ready. Pull out the hairs like this from the sides and fix it and it's done. Thanks for watching our video.